And you know, we all know this incredibly historic moment that Ilhan had just delivered for all of us and all of the world. I think this moment is not, it's not to be taken lightly, because I think it'll have a generational ripple. I honestly do. And so, but we all know she's amazing, and she's the first of this and first of that and first. But what I'm going to invite her to be, you know how in rap, like rappers always have a hype man? Well, let me give you the first Congress hype woman of all time. Check it out. And we need you to do this. In this rhythm. That beat. From guns from top, until the lion learns to speak, the tales of hunting will be weak. My poetry hails within the streets, my poetry fails to be discreet. It travels across the earth and seas, from Somalia all the way to DC. Yes. Ilhan, like this song of mine that I think, you know, I seen it in her campaign. But before this song, you know, became whatever it became, when I first wrote it, there was this little story in it, this part of the song that never really made it into the actual recording. And it was about when me and my family came, you know, it was detailing the story of me and my family coming from Somalia. Do you guys want to hear that? I'll need your help in the chorus part and the song. If you know it, it goes a little something like this. When I get older, I will be stronger and call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Okay, so then the story went. I got off the plane in America, feeling insane in America. It was me and my brother, sister and mother, and then it hit me, 'cause I was thinking, where are my friends and why aren't they with me? But I will make it and rep you strictly. Remember how we heard about New York City? Well, that's where I am. We moved to Harlem until the INS gave us a problem. So we had to sneak up into the T-Dot, Toronto freeze us. The whole thing was rough. That was the 90s. I was young and I started writing, open mic ciphering, till my skills brightened. Back then, if it wasn't bling bling, then it was in sync. started thinking, I remember singing, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving. I was born to a throne, stronger than Rome, but violent prone, poor people's zone. But it's my home, all I have known, where I got grown. Streets we would roam, out of the darkness. I came the farthest, among the hardest. Survival, learn from these streets. It can be bleak, accept no defeat. Surrender, retreat, so we're struggling, fighting to eat, and we're wondering when we'll be free. So we patiently wait for that fateful day. It's not far away, but for now we say, hey, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. And then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. And then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes. One more thing. So many wars, settling scores, bringing us promises, leaving us poor. I heard them say, love is the way, love is the answer. That's what they say, but look how they treat us, make us believers. We fight their battles, then they deceive us, try to control us. They couldn't hold us, cause we just move forward like buffalo. So we're struggling, fighting to eat, and we wondering when we'll be free. So we patiently wait for that